Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about what is an option, what are calls, what are puts. Then I'm going to talk to you about how can you make money using options. The company is selling some videos. Monthlytradingsystems.com is the company name, and I currently purchased them and actually doing very well trading options. So what is an option by monthlytradingsystems.com? So important disclaimer. The U.S. government wants to make sure you understand that if you do any type of trading in the stock market, it can be risky and you can lose money. So what is an option? Options are contracts giving the owner the right to buy or sell an asset at a fixed price, called a strike price, for a specific period of time. That period of time could be as short as a day or as long as a couple of years, depending on the option. The seller of the option contract has the obligation to take the opposite side of the trade and when the owner exercises the right to buy or sell the asset. So there are a couple of different flavors of options out there. There are calls and there are puts. Obviously you can do a long call, long put, or short call or short put. So call options. When you buy a call, it gives you the right but not the obligation to buy a specific stock at a specific price per share within a specific time frame. A good way to remember this is when you have the right to call the stock away from somebody. If you sell a call, you have the obligation to sell the stock at a specific price per share within a specific time frame. If the call buyer decides to invoke the right to buy the stock at a specific price. Okay, puts. Options. When you buy a put, it gives you the right but not the obligation to sell a specific stock at a specific price per share in a specific time frame. A good way to remember this is you have the right to put the stock to somebody. If you sell a put, you have the obligation to buy the stock at a specific price per share within a specific time frame. If the put buyer decides to invoke the right to sell the stock at that price. Alright, here's some examples of what a option kind of looks like. You got the ticker symbol, which is the XYZ here, which could be Google or IBM or any of those. The month and the strike price. There's multiple months and there's multiple strikes out there. And you can do either a call or a put, and this is at the dollar value. That's how much the cost or selling or buying the stock option. Alright, I'm going to talk about now is how do you make money using options. I actually purchased the videos from monthlytradingSystem.com a couple years ago, and I'm learning how to do this. And I learned how to do it and making pretty good money doing it. So my suggestion is for you to go out there, to go to monthlytradingSystem.com and watch this video. It talks about how you do it using Thinkorswim as your tool, and that you can do monthly trades, trading stock options. Now, I currently have a full-time job, and I currently do this today and pull in around $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 a month, depending on how much I put into it. So let me kind of give you an example of what this is and kind of talk to you about the different videos. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this and specifically talk about the introduction here to trading as a business with confidence. There are 4 hours worth of videos in here, multiple videos that you can do that talks about trading as a business. It gets you kind of started, takes you through the basics and gets you up and running. Greek management talks about the different Greeks. There's delta, there's vega, there's theta, there's rho, there's all these different Greeks and how they affect you when the stock moves up or down. Trading selection and strategies, different types of strategies. I was talking about iron condors. It talks about calendar spreads, double calendars, triple calendars. It'll go into butterflies, diagonals, all that stuff. And then what type of trading should you do? I mean, are we going to do it in a stock? Should you do it in like Google, or should you do it into an ETF like EEM or the diamonds or the spiders? Then it goes into portfolio building. Yeah, quite a few videos on portfolio building, which is really good on how to build your portfolio. And he talks about the tools of the trade. He uses Thinkorswim and toss charts and goes over the details of how to analyze the trades and try to figure out, is the market going up or going down, and how do you take advantage of that. Portfolio management by the Greeks, and adjustments. Adjustments are critical in monthly trading and using options. You just don't put these trades on and say, okay, I'm going to walk away and in a month I'm going to make money. There are only about 15 minutes a day is all you really need to spend, and just looking over your trades and say, do I need to make an adjustment? And it teaches you how to do it. There's 5 killer videos in there for that. More on adjustments, and talking about adjustments, because adjustments are how you make your money. And then closing your trades. There's 5 different videos out there on how do you close out your trades. Do I leave them to expiration and let them expire worthless, or do I close them out right away? So 5 explosive strategies there. The big pictures of technical analysis, of charting and using Thinkorswim, and how do you determine when the market's going up and down. More technical analysis in here. And advanced strategies and explosive wealth building strategies. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different videos in there on that. There are 40 different videos overall, 24 hours of teaching. Good stuff, man. So I use it, I learned it, I watched them all, and let me tell you, it's a great way to make money every month. There are bonuses out here. Inside day strategies, extreme trading. And there's more bonuses out there that you can do and take advantage of. This thing here there's a lot of work that he put into this to be able to teach everybody how to do this type of monthly trading. I mean, it could be worth $1,000 or $500, but this is only selling for $197. There's actually 2 different options you can do. Let me scroll down to them. Option 1, there's a 1 payment of $97, and then after that, monthly payment of $37 a month. There's also option 2. For $197, you can have unlimited access for continuing on and download the videos at any time you want, and take a look at them and start learning how to do these types of trades and making monthly income. He also gives a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied, get your money back. So I highly suggest you go ahead and take a look at this and purchase this. It's monthlytradingsystem.com. I'll have a link on the right hand side over here. Just take a look at it. Click on the link and watch this video here of monthlytradingsystem.com. I think you'd be very happy with it. Good luck with trading, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.